The oceans cover more than 70% of the Earth. 40% of the world population lives near the sea. The oceans hold an immense energy potential. The EU expects 10% of the energy to come from waves. There is plenty of space between offshore wind turbines that could add 50% more energy production to the same site. The waves move in a circular-like pattern, with the biggest movement at the surface. In shallower water, the movement reaches the bottom and creates an elliptical pattern. Seaweed moves at the bottom of the sea, following this pattern. The wave forces are slow but extremely powerful. To harvest their power, you need to deploy the right technology. This technology has a name: Exowave. The wave movements drive the yellow conical flaps, pitching forward and backwards, driving the internal pump system, making flowing pressurized seawater going into a flexible, high-pressure tube. Connected to the offshore hydraulic infrastructure, leading to an offshore wind turbine. And up to the external platform. The hydro turbines convert the hydraulic power into electricity. The cable is connected to the power electrics inside the turbine, while the seawater is discharged back into the sea. Both wind and wave share the same infrastructure, using the same cables, connecting to the onshore grid. Together with other renewable energy technologies, wave power acts as a key element in balancing the electrical grid at times when the sun is not shining or wind is not blowing. Future renewable energy will be a mix of sun, wind, and wave, with different mixes depending on each geography. In Denmark, the North Sea is a huge energy resource. Let's now fly back offshore. Below, a 588 megawatt offshore wind farm, built with 42 wind turbines of 14 megawatts of power each, coupled with a 210 megawatt wave farm. A total of 21 Exowave clusters, sharing the same site and infrastructure, maximizing energy production, driving down the cost of energy. This is how we see future offshore renewable farms looking like. To reach the UN, EU and Danish carbon emission targets, it is crucial to add more sustainable power sources to avoid extended use of nuclear and gas. There are already dedicated sites for the North Sea that could cover 20% of the Danish sustainable energy demand. In line with the planned energy islands and infrastructure, the world market for wave power will grow incredibly fast. Let's make the world a better place, together. Contact and information: exowave.com